Another day, another story. Disclaimer: nothing in our videos constitutes as financial advice. All information, opinions and suggestions are for education and entertainment only. Choose a dropshipping supplier. Choosing a dropshipping supplier is a critical step toward creating a successful dropshipping business. Without suppliers, a dropshipping business wouldn't have any products to ship to customers and, therefore, cease to exist. At this point, you've vetted what dropshipping products you want to sell and know they can be profitable. Now you want to make sure you find a dropshipping supplier that gives you the high-quality service you need to grow. E-commerce platforms like Shopify offer a plug-and-play style option for finding potential suppliers by connecting Zers to your online store. Zers is a marketplace that makes it easy to find products to sell online. Whether it's electronics, fashion, toys, or other trending items, you can find products with good profit potential from dropshipping suppliers around the world and add them to your store with one click. The app manages forwarding the customer orders to your dropshipping supplier, so you never need to worry about packaging, shipping, or managing inventory. It costs nothing to get started. The Zers app uses AliExpress to help you find and add products to your store. If you want to read more about product quality or shipping times, or further vet a supplier, you can do so from the Zers product page. When you click a supplier's link, you end up on its AliExpress page, where you can find reviews, top-selling products, and more. One thing to keep in mind: aim to sell quality products from Zers that provide e-packet shipping if your supplier is from China. E-packet is an affordable and fast option for shipping items from China to countries like the US, the UK, and Canada. Rather than wait months for a package to arrive from China, your customers will only have to wait up to 2 weeks, for a cost of only a few dollars. Let's continue in the next video.